Good morning, folks. Today we're in Dolly Sods in West Virginia. It's a very notable place because it's, I think, 5,000 feet above sea level in elevation. Is that correct, or around 4,000?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, but basically because of its high elevation, it resembles places much farther north than here, like in Canada. So all the vegetation in here and stuff here is very unique, such as coniferous trees. We're headed to Bear Rocks Preserve right now. It is a nice overlook, and this is just one of the many hiking trails around the area. There's 47 miles collectively of hiking trails in Dolly Sods for you to explore. The rocks here are pretty crazy, as you can probably see. This is like a neat little cave, and look, there's like sand in here, which, how did that get there? That's so weird. What do you think about the scenery?
It's pretty cool looking. Alright, let's keep walking.
Look at all the deep red color of whatever these shrubs are. It's so pretty. I don't know if it's a fall thing or if they're regularly like this. I'm gonna assume it's a fall thing.
We made it to one of the lookout points. It's a little cloudy and foggy out right now, so you can't see the fall colors too good, but it's still a pretty cool view nonetheless. And it's pretty cold, pretty windy, rainy a little bit. Kind of reminds us when we were just in Iceland a month ago.
And I'm surprised that even though there were a lot of cars in the parking lot, we didn't show you that, but there are a lot of cars in the parking lot. I'm surprised there's no one up here with us. It's just us right now. I'm guessing they're on all those other trails. But yeah, this is really neat, very rocky, and a little intimidating because some of these things are quite a drop.
Yeah, if you come, just watch your step. Be careful. The rain's picking up even more, and it's getting really cloudy and foggy, so we're gonna head back to the car. You can't really see anything from the overlook, but at least we got to see a little bit. So we're gonna head back to the car, and we're gonna head south, and we're gonna go to Seneca Rocks next. It's a big rock formation. It's pretty famous in West Virginia. We'll see you there.
Yeah, I'm windy, and it's windy and rainy, and I'm ready to go back in the car. It's so cold. On the trail leading up to Seneca Rocks now. If you can't see all the rocks mountain up there, that's where we're headed. And we read on a sign that 15 people have died here since 1970, fallen off and stuff. So it's gonna be pretty crazy. the Seneca Rocks observation deck now, and it was 1.5 miles to get up here and about 1,100 feet in elevation we hiked up, and it's a pretty nice view. We're on top of Seneca Rocks now, and let me tell you, this is not for the faint of heart. You have to go up rock climbing these big rocks, and I can see how you could very easily fall. That's like I said earlier, 15 people have died here in like the past 50 years from falling off these rocks. So you have to be really careful, and I'll admit I was very scared to go up them. But Matt pushed me on. Cheerleader. We're at our last stop for our West Virginia trip. We're at Spruce Knob. It's the highest elevation point in West Virginia at 4,863 feet. And it's very, very misty and windy, so we might not see much, but we're gonna try. So we finished the trail. It's a very short walk from the parking lot, and this is the observation tower that we will be going on and seeing the overlook, hopefully. On the observation tower now. It's a really nice observation tower. It's a actual like stone structure, and there's a lot of room up here if you can fit many people. Much better than what we saw last year at Mount Davis, which was a very rickety metal observation tower that didn't seem quite safe. So West Virginia hasn't made with that, but as far as the look goes, you can't really see much because of all the trees. Anything else you want to add?
I think the highest point in PA is nicer. You can see a lot better.
Definitely.
I think this is going to be our last stop for today. The weather didn't kind of cooperate with us. Hopefully if you come, it'll be clear for you so you can see. Yeah.
Hopefully you have better luck than us. Learn from our mistakes.
See you on the trail, adventurers.